Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my flower boxes. I did these for Mother's Day and I know that online they're super pricey and this was really affordable and easy to make. So if you want to know how to do them, just keep on watching. You are going to need a total of 5 items. First, you're going to need a box. I got this one at Michael's. You can use any color box, any size, doesn't really matter. You're going to need your wet foam. Please make sure it's the wet one and not the dry one. I got this one at Jewel. You can get this at Michael's, Walmart, any flower shop, or you can order this online, I'm pretty sure. Then you're gonna need your wrap, and this is to keep the foam from getting the actual box wet. Got this one at Michael's. I think you can get this pretty much anywhere. You're gonna need your ribbons. You can use any color, doesn't really matter. And lastly, you're gonna need your flowers. I would recommend roses because the stem is stronger, but if you want, you can use any type of flower, it doesn't really matter. So we're going to start off by cutting the foam to the size of the box. So what I do is I put the box over the foam, and then I cut. You don't have to be that precise with it because once you get the foam wet, it's gonna get bigger, so you're gonna have to cut anyways. So don't worry about this part too much. Okay, so I went ahead and cut the foam to the size of my box, and I filled up my sink. You can use a bucket or whatever you like, but I'm gonna use my sink. I'm just gonna drop it in there, and I'm gonna let it sink. So what it does that, I'm going to take the wrap, and I'm going to press it all the way down. So just like this. Okay, I'm going to take my foam out and I'm going to see if it fits. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna cut off the sides a little bit. Okay. And the foam is in. I'm gonna go ahead and cut around the box. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and move on with the roses. So what I did is I cut about this much, and you always cut the bottom at an angle. And I just measured how I wanted it to look, and you just press it down like this. So I'm gonna do the same with the rest of the roses. Okay, so this is how they look when you are finished. And what I like to do is I just like to open them up so that you don't see any gaps. So after this, I'm just gonna open this ribbon. Okay guys, so this is the final product. This is how they look. Like you guys saw, these are super easy and super affordable to make. I think I spent about $25. The box was $3, the ribbon was $2, the wrap was $5, the foam was $3, and the flowers were $10, I think. So really affordable. If you guys do make these, please tag me. I want to see how they turn out. And I will see you guys in my next video.